Local news for Monday, the 27th of January. A fleeing driver incident in Wairarapa has led to the arrest of two people wanted in connection to a spate of burglaries in the Manawatu. Masterton police spotted a vehicle, and when it failed to stop, a pursuit was initiated, where after about 10 minutes, the vehicle crashed into a ute and patrol car. The driver, a 40-year-old woman, and her passenger, a 34-year-old man, both had warrants to arrest and were sought by police in relation to burglaries in Palmerston North. Masterton District Council is planning to start installing around 9,000 water meters in the Masterton residential properties from next week, but meters will not be used to charge for water services until the 21-22 financial years. The charging structure for water using or water use via the meters will be part of public consultation on next year's annual plan beginning in March. The Trade Me Rental Price Index has shown a jump in rental prices. South Wairarapa saw an 80% jump in inquiries, while Masterton and eye-watering 23% jump in the average to $430 a week. Nationally, demand for rentals has risen 17%. And finally in sport, the Wairarapa women's cricket side, the Korusa made short work of Wanganui to win the match yesterday by 8 wickets. Melissa Hansen was outstanding with a score of 65 with the bat, while Hattie Vincent took 3 for 14 off just 5.2 overs. Well done. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.